So here we are, I'm back in the woods, and it is definitely a full moon. Makes for a very bright night. Pretty nice out, a little chilly. Fortunately, when I was abruptly asked to leave, I had a few rations in my backpack already, so not the end of the world. I'll either make the 6 to 8 hour bike trip back tomorrow uphill, or one of my buddies will pick me up. Hoping on plan B there. One of these things, like I said before, ups and downs. Things could always be worse. The bright side, I have a nice, well-lit forest tonight. Good night, guys.